Hello guys. Hello guys, so it's Prithviraj Mitra. Today I am showing how to hack any games. Like you have to go in Google. Like I am showing this. Where's my Google? Yes, there. And we have to search HAPPY Happy Mood like this. See this? But it's downloaded in my mobile, so that's why I am showing that. So I am showing you the moods, like what Minecraft, like. So first you have to type in Google that HAPPY happy mood happy mood, and then APK happy mood APK. Then you have to download that. Then you have to open. If you have to hack any game, so you can download this mode also, like Minecraft mode, 59% working. Note this version is suitable for version 2.3 and above. Unlock all skin if you open a flashback. Delete the memory card directory games. Morange. Remove the .com Mojang, the folder is reopened. If you create a game interface to use resource package to flashback, it is recommended to download from the store. Then create a game which will not flash. Then this Minecraft mode one a 58% working. This mode. One hit must kill, unlock skin characters invincible, invisin, invincible. Like you have been invincible, and your enemy was attacking you. But your enemy, if if your enemy touch you, then your enemy is died. So these two modes in Minecraft. And and these all games I have downloaded already, but my but I have deleted cause this is my studying mobile. Um, then you can search also, like GTA. Hmm. There has no modes cause the I can tell that. Oh, there is this cheat codes GTA 5. You can download this also, but you can download not. It can't download in Play Store. Some app that can't download it. Some app that can't download in Play Store. So that's in happy mode. The apps were not downloaded in Play Store and downloaded in Play Store and not downloaded in Play Store. all apps in there. So you can search it. So thank you. Bye bye.